Don't waste time. Firstly, you open a bracket and keep. You put x and close that bracket. Open another bracket, put x and close it. We always have what? Two factors. Look for two numbers such that when you add the two numbers you have -5, and when you multiply those two numbers you have 6. Then what are the two numbers? The two numbers are -2 and -3. -2 minus 3 is -5, and minus times minus is plus. So -2 times -3 is plus 6. So now we are just going to put the minus here, -3, and then this is -2. You can choose to write -2 here and what -3 here is still correct. Then what's the next thing? You say if you multiply two numbers and then you have 0, it's either the first one is 0 or the second one is 0, or the two of them are 0. So you just take this one and say, okay, it's either x minus 3 is 0 or what, x minus 2 is what, 0. Then if x minus 3 is 0, automatically x is equal to what, 3. And also if x minus 2 is 0, automatically x is equal to what, 2. Don't waste time. Solve this. X squared minus 3x plus 2 equal to 0. Write your answer in the comment section. Thank you for watching. Then see you in my next video.